Alright, it's your boy Moseefus, 20 View King, and everything I do get 20 views. Yo, shout out to Day 2 Jake. If I could motivate your ass to get a freaking bank account, I would feel like that's one of the biggest things that I did on being on YouTube. Yes, brother, listen, I don't know everybody's situation. I only know y'all through these streams, but I'm an advocate of getting a damn bank account as a grown-ass man, brother. Yes, please. if anything I do motivates you to get that done, yes, and you will thank me later. I'm talking to him like he's a child. He probably has a very good reason not to get a bank account, but yeah, I'm definitely all for that. Shout out my man Eugene. Eugene ain't been here in a minute. Eugene in the chat. No. I meant this. Nice $10 dono. I said let's react to No Bird Sing. I'll be confusing the gunshot and the money sign, the money noise all damn time. Oh, okay. You have. All right, Tom in there with $1. I appreciate you, brother. I won't spend it all on one plate. I ain't No Bird Sing landmines. I'm talking about diaper money. I can't even buy a Bobo with that. Yeah, let's get that. What's your request? Or is that just for whatever? Oh, that's how No Bird Sing look?
Dream of escape when you're awake. It's easier to take how you're close to the breakdown.
A Canadian dollar at that.
Just another block away. The stain is splattered on the gravel. It captures the attachment to the tip of the spear. Subliminal fear.
Nope.
Knitted in the closet, ain't been open for years. Better hope the combination isn't whispered to a criminal ear.
Is it? I think it's just him, man. I turned it up a bit. That's just him.
Dream of escape when you're awake. It's easier to take how you're close to the breakdown. Chase sound round to that dark alleyway. Light buzzing, wish it wasn't just another block away. The stain is splattered on the gravel. It captures the attachment to the tip of the
shout out Tom Native Song. He upped it to $2.
Set to appear in visions on the 15th. Gather old acquaintances.
You on the list?
Hands, grit your teeth. Slip beneath your blanket.
Shout out Trip Dub.
Kiss the cheek of very cold epiphany now. Plant a seed up in the ground. Watch it bleed and let it drown. Set it free. Pick it up until it meets the.
Alright, hold on, let me run this back. It's, you know why I keep on confusing it? One says machine with a C, and then it says machine with a G. And like the whole word don't fit on this thing right here. That's why I always be messing those buttons up. Shout out Trip Dub.
Chase sound round to that dark alleyway. Light buzzing, wish it wasn't just another block away. The stain is splattered on the gravel. It captures the attachment to the tip of the spear. Subliminal fear. Dream of escape when you're awake. It's easier to take how you're close to the breakdown. Chase sound round to that dark alleyway. Light buzzing, wish it wasn't just another block away. The stain is splattered on the gravel. It captures the attachment to the tip of the spear. Subliminal fear. Knitted in the closet, ain't been open for years. Better hope the combination isn't whispered to a criminal ear. Set to appear in visions on the 15th.
Bars.
Old acquaintances, hold their hands, grit your teeth.
I love these sounds so much more than
Twitch. Kiss the cheek of every cold epiphany now.
Kiss the cheek of a very cold epiphany.
Pick it up until it meets the fall. Then idols came down from artificial rain clouds. No one saw them coming. Really was the same how that little seed of mistrust grew up into a flower. Devoured every piece of you with love before the hour turned a month.
Yeah, this is what I know about No Bird Sing. He has very, very deep rhymes, like and it's like a lot of heartbroken style rhymes, like talking about having a broken heart and like long lost love type shit. But I like him. I like him. Everything I've heard so far with No Bird Sing, I think I've appreciated.
Beats the fall, then idols came down from artificial rain clouds. No one saw them coming. really was the same. How that little seed of mistrust.
It sounds like he's holding back a tear.
Love before the hour turned a month. Month became the withered face of
Very
something
thick
that
voice.
stays to chase the loneliness away. Say what you say about the smile painted on the face of the clown.
I can see
The
that,
joke is
Eugene.
still
I can
stuck
see
up in
that.
his throat somehow. Won't go down. Up is where it came from. None of us is stubborn enough to feel the same buzz. Lit his last smoke, pocket full of gasoline. Said his last prayer aware that it was blasphemy. After me, the planet's gonna atrophy. Catch disease, you're lucky if you last a week. Joke you're funny, but nobody loves a bitter thief with jagged little teeth, violating all of my relief.
This fire.
The rest of me is left wondering what the thunder sees inside the storm.
I can't help but to have an issue with his voice now that Trip Dub said it. Thanks, man, with your negative inspiration.
To me is left wondering what the thunder sees inside the storm. My normal way home is scattered with tornadoes and rusted out payphones, and I ignore those warning signs with
Scattered tornadoes and rusted out payphones. Fire.
16 landmines, 17 pairs of feet. Don't nobody move unless you think you're gonna grow some wings.
16 landmines, 17 pairs of feet. So somebody got one of their feet blown off. It should be an even number.
17 pairs of feet. Don't nobody move unless 16 landmines, 17 pairs of feet. Don't nobody move.
Oh, 17 pairs.
You're gonna grow some wings.
Who killed little boy?
17
Nah.
pairs of feet. Don't nobody move unless you think you're gonna grow some wings.
16 land. Oh, okay.
16 landmines, 17 pairs of feet. Don't nobody move unless you think you're gonna grow some wings.
So somebody gonna be cool. If there's 17 pairs, there's one less
16
landmine.
landmines, 17 pairs of feet. Don't nobody move unless you think you're gonna grow some wings.
That's badass odds, though. Imagine how much surface area you got, right?
The only way we're gonna survive is hiding behind the cloud, cover up in the sky. Paint silhouettes of guys in suits diving floor 41.
Brother Ali,
Started
it's a
as
good
way
comparison.
to have fun, so jump. Forget about the ripcord. It's tucked under the rug with the skeletons and floorboards. And 4 years from now, it'll still be the same, but somehow you gotta rise around it like you're sick of the pounding. Like
Brother
you're
Ali
sick
calls
of the
himself a
yells, but
preacher.
it's worse because it's sick of the silence. So jump, and if you fly, then you're a part of the problem. How could you solve
I like that,
the wings
Eugene.
on your back? When you cut them, they go
I like
back.
that interpretation.
When you cut them, they go back. When you cut them, they go back. With those wings on your back. When you cut them, they go back. With those wings on your back. When you cut them, they go back. When you cut them, they go back.
You gotta do moderator management. Sorry, Eugene, you gotta lose your moderator status.
You
gotta lose it until you come back, until you come back. And I had to give Ace his. It's gotta be Patreon exclusive.
16 landmines, 17 pairs of feet. Don't nobody move unless you think you're gonna grow some wings.
I like that. I like that interpretation. Now I see what you're saying. It's about trust.
16 landmines, 17 pairs of feet. Don't nobody move unless you think you're gonna grow some wings. Landmine, 17 pairs of feet. Don't nobody move unless you think you're gonna grow some wings.
Or so maybe it's about you thinking that you're the one and saying you're not. Like you're just like everybody else. Unless you think that you're gonna grow some wings, stay in your position. Like, you know what I mean? What up, Dylan, man? I'm glad to be back, man. I'm glad to be back. Alright, that was No Bird Sing, Landmines, live. Okay, back in 2009. He's still making music? I haven't heard nothing recent by him. I don't be checking my new releases on Spotify that much. That was pretty cool, man. I can definitely see how he inspires your writing, Eugene. You haven't never requested No Bird Sing before. I didn't know we had that in common. On a No Bird Sing scale, I've heard No Bird Sing stuff. I've heard maybe 2 or 3 songs by him, and I've liked them. I'm gonna put this in the sevens. high 7, 7.7. I like this. I like this. This was cool. And if I wasn't reacting to it, I probably would have enjoyed it a lot more. If it popped up in my headphones, like on the way to work, I probably would have liked it a lot more. So yeah, we're going with 7.7 is a good score. All right, we can end that one.